Starting your English learning journey can seem daunting, but it's the first step towards unlocking a world of opportunities. Immerse yourself in English daily. Whether through songs, movies, or books, surrounding yourself with the language makes learning natural. Practice speaking without fear. Mistakes are your stepping stones to fluency. Speak, stumble, learn, and then speak again. Utilize language learning apps. They're designed to make learning engaging, interactive, and most importantly, effective. Join English speaking groups or clubs. There's strength in numbers, and learning with others can motivate and inspire you. Never underestimate the power of writing. Keep a diary in English to practice and express yourself freely. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start your journey with these tips, and watch your English soar.